The road mode is activated after pressing the white button on the armrest. Eventually, if you are leaving your harvested field and engage the function, you will see a pop-up alert. In this pop-up, there is the list of the conditions to fulfill to get safely to road mode. Follow the instruction accordingly and you will be ready to drive. In this example, it is needed to close the grain tank and the foldable auger. Now you can customize your driving experience thanks to the 3 modes available for Ideal. From the home screen, click on the icon with the Combine on the top right corner. Then from the Combine main menu, select the Features icon. In the middle part of the screen, you will see the ground drive box. Click on it and you will get to the Eco Mode Transport drop-down menu. With the first function, None, the engine RPM only follows the impulse from the joystick. Eventually, this mode doesn't have any potential to save fuel. In Time mode, the engine RPM follows the impulse from the joystick, but when Ideal reaches 0 kph for a certain time, it reduces the engine RPM. For example, if we are stopped at the traffic signal, Ideal will quickly get to idle. In Advanced, the engine RPM operates in a range of 300 RPM. On flat terrain, for example, when running at the maximum velocity, Ideal reduces the speed to 1600 RPM instead of 1900, optimizing then the fuel efficiency. On the contrary, while driving uphill, the machine needs to increase the oil flow to keep the speed. The RPM will in this case go up to a maximum of 1900 RPM automatically. Select now Advanced mode and confirm. Now change from low gear range to high gear using the button on the armrest. Remember that you can also shift your gears on fly without stopping Ideal. Advanced mode will automatically optimize the behavior of Ideal while on road mode.